Hello again. This release, we're excited to share that we've expanded the Insights tab to include dynamic charts for even more outcome measures. Now featuring the CH, OCI, RP, ECRR, and VA-DRS measures, these new visualizations join our existing set to provide clinicians with an at-a-glance clear view of scoring trends over time. It's easier than ever before to monitor progress, identify patterns, and support clinician decision-making with confidence. We've also included clearer TherapyFuel Scribe statuses in this release. To help you better understand when a transcript is available during progress note creation, we've added 2 new statuses in TherapyFuel Scribe. The session is in progress, transcript not yet available status, while previously shown only for telehealth sessions, now appears for any in-progress session without a transcript. The rendering in progress, transcript not yet available status appears once the session has ended, but the transcript is still being processed and not yet ready for use. These statuses help set clear expectations and reduce guesswork when working with transcripts. And finally, our upgraded billing transaction search now includes a pending submission filter, making it quicker to find both primary and secondary claims that are awaiting submission. Results can also be filtered by submission method, with the additional options of both primary and secondary electronic, paper, or external for greater control and clarity across your workflow. That's all for this release. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok for more updates. Bye!